Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Over time, however, they can wear out or become outdated, affecting the overall quality of your living environment. As a homeowner in Clinton Township, it's important to know the signs that your windows may need replacing. By recognizing these indicators early, you can save money, improve energy efficiency, and boost the curb appeal of your home. Here are the top signs your home may need new windows. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacement is the presence of drafts. If you feel cold air coming through the cracks around your windows during the winter or notice that your rooms are excessively warm in the summer, your windows may no longer be performing as they should. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation materials that help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Over time, seals can break down, leading to drafts that make it harder for your HVAC system to regulate the temperature. This can cause your energy bills to spike and reduce comfort levels inside your home. Visible damage or wear. Physical damage is another telltale sign that your windows may need replacing. Cracked, chipped, or broken glass can compromise the structural integrity of your windows, letting in moisture, air, and pests. Additionally, frames that are warped, rotted, or cracked are a clear indication that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Not only do these issues affect your home's energy efficiency, but they also detract from your home's appearance. A new set of windows can restore both the function and aesthetics of your home, enhancing its curb appeal and value. Difficulty operating windows. If your windows are hard to open, close, or lock, it's time to consider a replacement. Difficulty in operation can be caused by several issues, such as damaged or misaligned frames, old hardware, or warping of the materials. Windows that are difficult to open or close can be frustrating to deal with and can pose a safety risk in the event of an emergency. A new window can ensure smooth operation and give you peace of mind knowing that your home is secure. Excessive condensation or fogging. Another sign that it's time for new windows is excessive condensation or fogging between the panes of glass. If you notice moisture buildup between the panes, this indicates that the window's seal has failed. This issue can severely impact your window's insulation and performance, allowing air and moisture to enter your home. Condensation also reduces visibility, making your windows look unsightly. If cleaning the window doesn't solve the problem, it's likely time for a replacement to restore functionality and appearance. Rising energy bills. As energy-efficient windows age, they lose their ability to keep heat in during the winter and cool air inside during the summer. This inefficiency forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in higher energy bills. If you've noticed a steady increase in your heating and cooling costs, it could be due to outdated or inefficient windows. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models can help reduce your energy consumption and save you money in the long run. Noise pollution if your home is located near a busy road, airport, or other noisy environments. You may begin to notice more noise infiltrating your home through your windows. Old windows, especially those without proper soundproofing, allow more noise to enter your living spaces. Upgrading to new, high-quality windows with better soundproofing features can significantly reduce noise pollution, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Increased outside fading. If you notice that your furniture, carpets, or drapes are fading quickly due to sun exposure, your windows might not be providing adequate UV protection. Many modern windows are treated with low emissivity, low E coatings that block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light to enter your home. These coatings can help protect your furniture and flooring from the sun's damaging rays, preventing fading and prolonging the life of your belongings. Age of the windows. If your windows are more than 15-20 years old, it's worth considering replacement, even if there aren't obvious signs of failure. Windows have advanced significantly in terms of energy efficiency and materials, so replacing older windows can dramatically improve your home's comfort and energy performance. Investing in new windows can offer long-term benefits that far outweigh the costs, including reduced maintenance needs and enhanced property value. Conclusion. Windows are an essential part of your home's structure and comfort. If you've noticed any of these signs in your Clinton Township home, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can improve your home's insulation, reduce noise, and enhance its appearance, all while saving you money on your energy bills. Don't wait until problems become more serious. Take action now and enjoy the benefits of a more comfortable, secure, and energy-efficient home.